In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to plot stock data within Python. So here you can see we have our three packages, yFinance, Matplotlib, and datetime. We don't necessarily need datetime, but it is more useful on your data downloads. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to define Apple as yf.download. We're going to pass through Apple in quotes, and we could do start equals 1 year ago today, so 2023-03-05. And we're going to start off by just indexing close and volume, as that's what we'll be plotting. We could run that and see we get 1 of 1 completed. We can come down to the next line and we can define our figure size. So we could do plt.figure, fig size equals, and you can see it's automatically completing what we need. And we're going to make ours a little bit larger. We're going to do 18 by 10. We can come down to the next line and we can do apple.plot, and we're going to do subplots equal true. Now we can come down one more and we can do plt.show, and we could run that. Now, after running that block of code, you can see we get a nice chart here of both price and volume, and that's all produced in just 5 lines of code. While more customizations could be made to this to make it a little bit more visually pleasing, we're just going to stick to the basics for today. So that's all, and I hope that helps.